You paid every single bill on time. Not one late payment, not one missed due date. And yet, your credit score just dropped. How is that even possible? Here's the truth nobody tells you. Payment history is only one piece of your credit score. There are 4 other factors silently destroying your score every single month. And most Americans have no idea they even exist. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly what's killing your score and how to fix it fast. Let's paint a picture. You set up auto pay. Bills go out automatically every month. You feel responsible. You feel like you're doing everything right. Then you check your Credit Karma app one morning, and your score dropped 20 points. Out of nowhere. You didn't miss a payment. You didn't apply for a new card. Nothing changed, or so you thought. This happens to millions of Americans every single year. In fact, a 2023 survey found that 68% of people who check their credit score regularly are confused by unexpected drops. 68%. That means most people are playing a game without knowing all the rules. And when you don't know the rules, you lose every single time. Stay with me here, because what I'm about to show you changed how I think about credit forever. Here's why this actually matters. Your credit score isn't just a number. It controls your entire financial life. Bad score, your car loan interest rate goes up. We're talking hundreds of dollars extra every single year. Bad score, your mortgage rate increases too. On a $300,000 home loan, a 1% higher rate costs you $60,000 extra over 30 years. That's not a small deal. That's a life-changing amount of money. And some landlords won't even rent to you with a low score. Some employers check it before hearing. Your credit score follows you everywhere. So if yours is dropping, even while you pay on time, you need to know why right now. Here's where it gets interesting. Your credit score is made up of 5 pieces. Most people only focus on one of them. Let's break down all 5, quickly. Number 1, payment history, 35%. Yes, this is the biggest piece. And you're already winning here, good. But here's what most people don't know. Even one late payment can drop your score by up to 110 points. And it stays on your report for 7 years. 7 years. So protect this piece like your financial life depends on it, because it does. Number 2, credit utilization, 30%. This is probably why your score dropped, even though you paid on time. Credit utilization means how much of your available credit are you using? Think of it like this. You have a credit card with a $10,000 limit. You spend $3,000 on it this month. That's 30% utilization. Most experts say keep it below 30%. But the best scores, they keep it below 10%. Here's the sneaky part. The credit card company reports your balance to the bureaus before your payment is even due. So even if you pay the full balance every single month, if your balance was high on the reporting date, your score takes a hit. You did nothing wrong, and you still got punished. Most people don't know this. The fix is simple though. Pay your balance twice a month. Or pay it down before the statement closing date, not just the due date. Those are 2 different dates. Most people confuse them. The statement closing date is when they take a snapshot of your balance. That snapshot is what gets reported. Pay before that date. Your utilization drops, your score goes up. Number 3, length of credit history, 15%. Here's one that surprises everyone. Closing an old credit card can actually hurt your score, even if you never use it. Why? Because your score loves long history. The older your accounts, the better. When you close an old card, two things happen. Your average account age drops, and your total available credit shrinks. Both of those hurt your utilization too. So that old store card you got in college, don't close it. Just leave it open. Use it once every few months for a small purchase. Pay it off immediately. That's it, that's the move. Here's a shocking stat for you. The average American with an 800-plus credit score has had their oldest account open for over 25 years. 25 years. Time is literally a credit score superpower. Number 4, new credit inquiries, 10%. Every time you apply for a new credit card, loan, or financing, the lender does what's called a hard inquiry. Think of it like a credit score tax. Each hard inquiry can drop your score by 5 to 10 points. Not a lot alone, but stack up 5 of them in 1 year. Now you've lost 50 points. And here's the part that stings. Even if you get approved and you pay perfectly, the inquiry still sits on your report for 2 years. So before you apply for any new credit, ask yourself if you really need it right now. Most people don't know this either. But when you're shopping for a mortgage or car loan, multiple inquiries within a 14-day window usually count as just one inquiry. So if you're rate shopping, do it fast and do it together. Number 5, credit mix 10%. This one is smaller, but it still matters. Credit bureaus want to see that you can handle different types of debt. Credit cards, car loans, student loans, mortgages. A mix of these shows you're a responsible borrower. If you only have credit cards, adding an installment loan like a small personal loan can actually boost your score. Not because you need the loan, but because it shows variety. Most people just chase credit cards. But the big scores, they have a healthy mix. Now let's talk about the hidden score killers nobody mentions. Here's where it gets really interesting. Hidden killer number 1, authorized user accounts. Did someone add you as an authorized user on their card? Sounds helpful, right? But if that person has high utilization or a bad history, their mistakes show up on your credit report too. You never spent $1 and your score still dropped. Check your report at annualcreditreport.com. It's completely free, federally mandated. Remove yourself from any toxic accounts immediately. Hidden killer number 2, medical bills. Most people don't realize medical debt works differently now. As of 2023, medical bills under $500 no longer appear on credit reports. But larger medical debts, they can still show up. And collection agencies are sneaky. They buy old medical debt for pennies, then report it to the bureaus without warning you. Check your report regularly. If you see a medical collection you didn't know about, dispute it immediately. Hidden killer number 3, soft inquiries you don't know about. Not all inquiries hurt your score. Soft inquiries, like checking your own score or pre-approval offers, don't affect it. But here's the confusion. Some people see inquiries on their report they don't recognize. That can be a sign of identity theft. Somebody could be applying for credit in your name right now. You'd never know until your score tanks. Set up a free credit freeze at all 3 bureaus, Equifax, Experian, and TransUnion. It's free. It stops anyone from opening new accounts in your name. Most people skip this. Don't be most people. So what's the actual action plan? Step 1, pay before your statement closing date, not just the due date. Step 2, keep your utilization below 10% on each card. Step 3, never close your oldest credit card. Step 4, limit hard inquiries to when you truly need them. Step 5, check annualcreditreport.com every 4 months. Rotate between the 3 bureaus throughout the year. Step 6. Freeze your credit right now if you haven't already. These 6 steps cost you nothing, but they can add 50 to 150 points to your score over the next year. That's the difference between a bad loan rate and a great one. That's the difference between paying more or keeping more money in your pocket. Let's do a quick recap. Your credit score has 5 factors. Payment history is just one of them. Utilization is the sneaky one, silently dragging you down. Old accounts have massive value. Never close them. Too many applications in a short period. That's a score killer. And always, check your report for errors and fraud. Because a mistake on your report that you didn't make is still your problem until you fix it. Now you know what most Americans will never figure out. If this video helped you, smash that subscribe button. Every day I reveal money secrets that your school never taught you. See you next day.